Hello everyone, it's me, Sarah B, opening up another box from Stitch Fix. I've completely lost count. I think this is 9. I'm hoping that it's 9 because my luck with Stitch Fix comes in 3s. So if this is box number 9, it's going to have amazing things in it. I think we all know what Stitch Fix is. A clothing subscription company. And you can sign up for how often you would like to get your box. Whether it's every 2 to 3 weeks, every month, every 3 months. You can decide. It's a $20 styling fee, but that money gets credited to whatever you decide to keep from the box. I've had great opportunities to try on things that I would never have chosen to try on in the dressing room. So for that, I'm grateful. I've not had always perfect boxes. I've had one perfect box. It was an amazing box. I still think about the joy that was opening that box. So hopefully we'll get another perfect box today. So they send you a bag to ship everything home in. They send you a little note that tells you all about the clothes they sent you, how to style them, as well as the invoice, the pricing. If you keep everything from the box, you take 25% off the total cost of the box. So there's really big incentive there, but it depends on what you get and if it fits. Also, if it doesn't fit, you can see if they have bigger sizes and can exchange them. For someone of my size and my shape, they're often sending me the top size that they have, so that's not really an option. But we'll get into it. So here's my box. Let's look at my bundle. Oh my gosh. It is very different on this side. Maybe not very different. Oh lordy. Here we go. I've been asking specifically for more color and pattern because my wardrobe is sadly void of them. I teach at a local college, so professional wear is always something I'm looking for. I get bored of what I'm wearing, and I'm sure my students get bored of me seeing me in the same things. Look. This pair of pants. NYDI. Maryland straight leg pant in indigo. Pants made by women for women. The eternal struggle to find pants with the perfect fit ends here. Yes, please. They are a straight leg pant, which I gravitate towards. Oh, they're really stretchy. That's really nice. All right. I can always go for another pair of work pants. Lovely. Let's see if they fit. They feel like they should. You guys. Look at this top. This is so crazy. It's so lovely, though. Like professional wear. Pattern. It's a pattern. I shouldn't be as excited about this. This is from Fun to Fun. Lillian V-neck blouse. That is super cute. Oh man, I really hope it fits. That's a very sweet blouse. How lovely is that? They only send you 5 pieces. The third piece is a cowl. It's got to be a cowl, right? It's from Girly. It's a bow fringe infinity scarf. It's a cowl. I'm a knitter and crocheter, so I don't typically buy these types of things because I can just make them. But it'd be nice to not have to make one, although this is a really lovely one. The pattern is very interesting and I like it. I enjoy it much. Right. The fourth item it's a pretty simple top. Oh, but it has buttons on the side. I did not notice that at first. So are they on both sides? Yes. So buttons on both sides. And like a maroony plummy color from Fortune and Ivy. It is called Emile Button Detail Ruched Sleeve Knit Top. Are the sleeves ruched? Yes, they are. Oh my gosh. And then the last piece, I'm less sure about this one than when I first saw it. Oh, maybe. Is a block. It's 41 by Hawthorne. They know my brands, man. I always end up buying the same stuff, and it's super soft. It's the cardigan with like this block coloring mix by 41 Hawthorne. Oh man, it's really soft, and I'm such a sucker for like the tactile that might be enough to put me over the edge. All right, time to get some clothes on and see how this all works. Good news and bad news. The good news, the pants fit amazing. They're super stretchy. They don't feel like work pants though, so I don't know if that's really distracting. They also show off every like lump and bump, which I'm not super thrilled about, but I'm trying to like more fully embrace my body for all that it is. So I'm not completely opposed to it. But they feel so freaking comfortable, and there's like decent pockets in the front and in the back. Like there's pockets. That's something worth noting. I love this top. It just doesn't fit well. Like, I don't know how much it is yet, but I don't want to be spending a lot for a top that doesn't, like, sit well on me. And I don't know if I can justify this one or not. My daughter's crying. Can you hear her? Poor thing. So this is the first outfit. Let me throw on the cardigan over top of this just to see how this works as well. Again, it is super soft. The block coloring is a little much for me. I would not put this all together probably. It's like too much. But no, I like it has a tapering, so it's longer in the front. It hits nicely, like to cover my hands, which I really appreciate. It doesn't have any button closures or anything, which I would typically like. But look one, let's keep going. And here's the second top. It's really comfy. Yeah, this is apparently a new thing, like adding details like on the sides. It's not something I have been paying attention to, but it's lovely. The 3/4 length sleeves are a really good fit for me. The crew neck I'm willing to compromise on. I typically go for like a lower neck to help try to like balance out my proportions. But it's comfy. It's really nice. It fits me well. It's a color. It's something that I'm definitely lacking in my wardrobe. So, yay. I already tried on the cowl, so I'm not going to do that again. But now I'm going to get changed back into my clothes, and we're going to look at pricing and see how it all works out. Somebody decided to join us for this last bit. All right, so hello. Let's look. Alright. They always give you like different style options that you can wear with the pieces. Hi Sarah, I know you're still on the hunt for some gray trouser pants. I wasn't able to find any in your inseam today. But I started your fix off with these NYDJ pants. While the tag says it's a straight leg, it does have a slight flare from the knee to the ankle to give you that boot cut style. What do you think of the fit? Give your look a fun pop of color by pairing these pants with the Fortune and Ivy knit top for casual workday. And as the weather cools, accessorize with the Octavia Infinity scarf. The cardigan included today is the same fit as a purple one we've sent you before, but in this great neutral that will easily work into your daily wardrobe. Other than the gray pants, is there anything else you'd like to see me include in your next fix? Best, Meredith. I will let you know, Meredith. Definitely still looking for gray trouser pants. I like what she sent me overall. They always ask you, like, how happy are you with your fix overall? I've always been really happy. They've been sending me, like, really good stuff. It's just, like, not necessarily their fault that things don't work out according to plan. But let's see how everything breaks down. The bow fringe infinity scarf, Octavia, is $34. Sure, I can see that. Am I going to pay that? No, I don't think so. Like I said, I'm a crafter, and if there's an accessory I'm lacking, I would just typically just put needle to yarn and make it happen. So, the Fun to Fun Lillian V-neck blouse in white, $40. Not a bad price to pay. It doesn't fit me. I'm going to go online to see if they have the next size up. I'm almost positive that they will not, which is a super bummer because I would totally wear this. I would totally wear this. Like, probably too much. So that makes me have a sad. But what are you going to do? Oh, Lord. Okay. The Emile button-detached ruche sleeve purple top, Fortune and Ivy, $42. Which, considering it's like a heavier weight, it's almost sweatery, is not bad. I can see why that is the way it is. B is distraught over the prices. The pants, this is what's going to kill me. The Maryland straight leg pant is $119. A lot of money to spend for a pair of pants. They do fit awesome. I just have to like rectify that in my mind. That's a lot of money for a pair of pants. As comfy and lovely as they are. And then the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Banana, I don't know how to say it. The color block cardigan is $38. Super soft and really lovely. I love the cut. I just don't know. At this point, I've like swayed so far to the other side of the spectrum. I was saying, I've come so far across the other side that I would almost rather keep the original purple cardigan they sent me than the color block one. Is that weird? It's not weird. It just shows my developing sense of style, perhaps. So the total for everything is $273, minus the buy all discount, which would take $68.25 off of the top, which would be a total of $204.75. That is an eyeliner. Always adventurous, this one. So yeah, $204.75 for the whole box of clothes, which includes some really great pieces. I'm gonna go on and see if that top comes in a larger size, because I would really love that. That would make me so happy. But if not, I will deal with it. And then I need to think about those pants, because I really like them. I don't know if I $119 like them. So there are definitely things to think about. The other caveat is that I mentioned before that the boxes it has a $20 styling fee. I am now enrolled in a year of, what is it? Style subscription? Style Pass, they call it. So I get unlimited complimentary styling fees for a year. It was a $49 upfront charge, which then can be applied to anything. But if I don't keep anything from this box, I don't lose anything either. So I have to really think about if I want to keep anything or not. As always, I am so grateful for your thoughts and opinions and suggestions. So please leave them in the comments below as I sort through this in the next couple of hours, because I have to send this box back. Thank you as always for joining me, and until next time, be well. BB, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.